How to remove or replace a drawer runner set on a Mia or a Plaza cabinet. Open the drawer and remove the inspection cap. This lever here will be the one you pull up to remove the drawer. Use a screwdriver to undo the 4 screws holding the runner. Replace the screws, noting where the old ones went in the series of holes. Test the drawer runner, making sure it soft closes by itself, and then pull it all the way out, ready for the drawer to be placed on. Carefully place the drawer on the extended runners. And push the drawer in whilst leaning around and pushing the runner in at the back. Test the drawer before replacing the clips.